Hello everyone, my name is Srinath and today I'm going to talk about our presentation which is dynamic and interactive data visualization and UX which was done by me and my friend Bharadwaj. And coming to the introduction part, the datasets with complicated attributes and massive extensions can significantly affect their usefulness to any particular user. And thus, the visualizations delivered from the same datasets that can be very useful in aiding the proper absorption of data. And the demonstration of data alongside the possibility of interaction and evaluation is facilitated dynamically through dynamic and interactive data visualization. And these visualizations that can simplify the presentations of sophisticated datasets and thereby leading to the discovery of essential trends. Dynamic data visualization and its types. Dynamic visualization became a possibility due to the imminent need for data demonstration with elevated levels of engagement, and numerous varieties of dynamic visualization that are made available to support the diverse necessities of users. And some of the available options are line charts, heat maps, scatter plots, bar charts, and so on. And for every one of these mentioned options, which is equipped with a unique quality that makes it superior in a specified circumstance. And thus, the users can pick up the right option by critically evaluating their visualization requirements. Technologies behind dynamic data visualization. The advancements in technology have led to the development of powerful tools for dynamic data visualization. Tools like D3.js, Tableau, and Plotly leverage modern technology to facilitate dynamic and interactive data visualizations. Understanding the visualization the requirements is crucial for selecting the right tool from the available options. These tools empower users to create dynamic visualizations that effectively communicate insights from the complex datasets. And next comes the guidelines for interactive design. The developers of dynamic visualizations should deeply consider the key requirements of the end users, and thus a set of guidelines or principles is made available to aid their development to support the individuals involved in the process. For instance, a dynamic visualizations should possess interfaces that can be intuitively accessed by an end user. The suggestion of users with respect to their necessities in visualization should be duly incorporated to elevate their effectiveness, and the dynamic visualization should maintain an outlook of simplicity in addition to being as informative as possible. So what I'm trying to say is effective interactive design plays a crucial role in the development of dynamic visualizations. Developers should consider the key requirements of end users and adhere to established guidelines or principles to enhance the user experience. Principles such as intuitive interdesign, users feedback incorporation, and simplicity in visualization design that are essential for creating engaging and effective dynamic visualizations. And the preparation of data and cleaning. The effectiveness of obtained trends from dynamic visualizations might be affected by the use of unclean or faulty data, and thus cleaning and data preparation becomes integral to the development of dynamic visualizations. And a handful of actions, namely data cleaning, aggregation of data, elimination of duplicate entries, and so on, are pursued. These actions will collectively ensure that the data used in dynamic visualizations is impeccable. So the effectiveness of dynamic visualizations relies heavily on the quality of underlying data, and the data preparation and cleaning are essential steps in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of visualizations. Actions such as data cleaning, aggregation, and elimination of duplicate entries help, and that ensure that the data used in dynamic visualizations which is clean and error-free, leading to more accurate insights and analysis. Data visualization and UX development. User experience plays a crucial role in data visualization, influencing how users interact with and perceive visualizations. Various principal guides UX design focusing on meeting the diverse needs of users and ensuring accessibility and usability. Design should be tested with users to identify and address any usability issues, and that ultimately enhancing the effectiveness and impact of dynamic visualizations. And the user experience in relation to data visualization focuses on how users react to different components of visualizations and the various principles that are being widely employed to support developers with respect to fulfilling the requirements of users in UX designs. In particular, the designs should cater to the diverse needs of users who are equipped with the different ideas and expectations. And moreover, the design should exhibit a greater level of accessibility by anticipating and offering assistance to users when required. And the UX designs should be meticulously tested with the help of users to identify and eliminate user issues and vulnerabilities. Here comes the functional capabilities and potential for interaction. The engagement of users can be multiplied by incorporating various functional elements in the visualization, and the dynamic data visualization should possess such functional components that can allow users to manipulate data according to their unique preferences. And some of the mentioned elements include a filtering option that tactically segregates available data, zooming to expand focus on a particular point, and etc. And moreover, the highlights and the strategic use of colors that can emphasize the dynamic nature of such visualizations. And thus, the designers can choose to incorporate suitable functions element to make visualizations more interactive. Um, in this, incorporating functional elements in dynamic visualizations that enhances user engagement and interactions. Features such as filtering options, zooming capabilities, and strategic use of colors make visualizations more interactive and informative. Designers that can also choose to incorporate these functional elements that based on the specific requirements of the visualization. Dynamic visualizations and responsive design. The difference in sizes and attributes of devices may affect the quality of interactions in dynamic visualizations, and thus the responsive design is generally employed to make dynamic visualization that adapt seamlessly to such differences. And various techniques that are put in place to deliver layouts of visualizations which are highly responsive to changes. And in this case, the performance of the visuals is optimized in addition to making them highly informative. Visualization of data in real time. Real-time data visualization is becoming increasingly important in today's dynamic environment. However, integrating and analyzing real-time data poses various challenges that require careful consideration, and the designers must navigate these challenges methodically to deliver dynamic visualizations which provide timely insights and support decision-making in time-sensitive situations. And the dynamic nature of the modern world increases the necessity for real-time analysis of data. However, the corporation and the collaboration of multiple devices and a multitude of techniques which are pivotal to delivering the same. Nevertheless, evaluating essential data in real time that can turn out to be beneficial in numerous circumstances, especially time-sensitive ones. And thus, one of the main goals of designers in terms of delivering dynamic data visualizations in real time should be methodically navigating the numerable challenges. Pros of data in storytelling. Visualizations in general that can be retrofitted to perform various roles including storytelling, and the trends in visualizations that can convey various details to users and designers that can manipulate the flow of reception to deliver interactive stories. And storytelling may not be suitable for all these visualization types as the chosen data determines its applicability. However, the incorporation of narratives can render formidable support in the absorption of data whenever it is applicable. Protection of sensitive data and security. Security is a critical consideration in dynamic visualization, and particularly when dealing with sensitive or confidential information. Designers must implement robust security measures to protect data integrity and confidentiality. And the compliance measures and security solutions help mitigate risks and ensures that the dynamic visualizations uphold the highest standards of data security and privacy. And the protection of valuable and confidential information is an essential topic of discussion in dynamic visualization. And the elevation of dynamic visualization's interactive nature that should be limited within the scope of regularity requirements. The complaints measures and the security solutions that are made available to protect information as well as the sources of information. And therefore, the designers of dynamic and interactive data visualization should embrace effective strategies to uphold the security and integrity of data. Conclusion. The concept of dynamic and interactive data visualization is examined in multiple dimensions, and the incorporation of building technologies like AR that will make significant contributions to its applicability.